a journey back home. I'm reconnecting with my roots in Nyamira, Kenya. Guys, I'm driving to the village and oh my god, it is raining like crazy. Stick around, subscribe, watch to the end so that you can see how my village looks like. So imagine we have to, drive a distance from Nairobi to Nyamira. If you're from Nyamira, you'd know. And finally we got there. The village is dusty. There are patches where there are no roads. And as the dusty road stretched, endlessly ahead, I feel the anticipation of getting home. Okay, that is not our home, but most of the houses in Nyamira are like that. They have thatched roofs, and they are made of soil or mud on the walls. So that is the village life. People look very happy. Memories are made here. And I didn't grow up in the village, but for most people these are memories made, and they're beautiful scents and smell in the village. So basically that is it. And the village is amazing because of how life is. And I got home and this chicken belongs to the family, and I'm just seeing it and thinking of how I'd want my aunties to slaughter this for dinner. We are used to broilers. Eating broilers in town is just hectic and tiring. But this one is what we call kuku kienyeji, like, it's a village chicken, the hard chicken, the road runners. And wow, as I've aged, I've come to appreciate the chicken in the village, and how beautiful and sweet it is when you cook it. So I'm trying to talk to my auntie to beg her to see if she can agree. And otagwancharende to torosiengo ke torisapa tumanye ko tiga toragirengo ke. So those are my aunties, and that is how women carry things on their head. That is, they're from the market, and they bought some stuff. So yeah, dinner is here, and we need to cook and prepare dinner. So in the village, what happens in most village settings is that people have to that is maize that is pounded like that, and women carry children at their backs as they pound the maize. This is in preparation for dinner. So this is done by the women mostly, and they use a long stick. So I'm sure most African villages have experienced this. Then they use a fireplace. They don't use the gas cooker. So people go to the forest, and they get firewood, and that is what is used. So we had dinner. We prepared some boiled maize, and the chicken I showed you before, and it was quite a preparation. Then the next day we went to the river. So that is how some of the rivers look. Kisii is a very hilly area, and it has a lot of Kisii and Nyamira has a lot of water. It rains a lot. So we get to the river. And guess what? For some people, you have to carry water on the head. Some tribes, you carry water on the back. But for my tribe, we carry water on the head. But I cannot carry water on my head. I'm not used to it. I was not raised in the village. But if I was like my mother, she carries water on the head, and it's quite a beautiful spectacle. So we are at the river, and most of the water is just free flowing. But there are some pipes that are put whereby you can fetch the water. So the same river is where the cattle take water downstream. People shower at the river downstream, and you fetch water upstream. So but the water is so sweet, it's so fresh, it's amazing. It's something that you wish you would enjoy. So that is like a sample of the river. So the challenges in this county or community is that some of them struggle to access clean water, and also adequate health care because of this lack of clean water. So most of them just fetch, but they've known how to survive. They know how to filter the water. They know how to put water in a pot so that it can be cooled. So there we are, taking a walk down to the river. Walk with us. That is the pipe I was telling you. See, this is water you just fetch like that and you drink. Oh my god, and my kids are just shocked. but it's just like it has some, you know, soil in it. So anyway, moving to the market. So one of the days we had a market day. So in the village, a popular market day is like set for maybe Friday, Tuesday, depending on your village. So here people are selling their wares, and we just came with some of my cousins so that we can look at what is being offered. So here we are shopping. I hope you guys know that village experience, and if not, you better visit a village and experience that. Everything actually looks cheap, but it's not, because life is hard. So finally we get to the day of, you know, one of the days whereby I've told my auntie that we need to also slaughter one of the goats. We cannot visit the village and we've not eaten nyama choma, that is roast meat. So yes, in Kenya or in Africa, most of these countries, we eat roast meat from the goats. I know most people are used to taking beef, but goat meat is the best, and especially if you get like fresh goat. So yeah, we slaughtered one, and yeah, we are roasting the meat. Oh my god, it was quite a spectacle. Amazing. Oh, I'm salivating, people. I hope you're salivating with me. Guys, don't forget to subscribe as I share my village experience. You can ask me any questions in the comment section as I add. So guys, nyama choma is here, and I'm so excited getting it ready, and we're going to have a sumptuous meal. Yes, our day is a wrap. We've been there for 2 days, and it was amazing. We have to drive back to town, back to Nairobi. I hope I showed you how an experience of our village life, and check my other videos. I'll tag them here. You see the experience we've had before in the village. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Bye bye.